Hello and welcome back, dear baby astronomers. Today we will have a very special topic, which are binary systems. So first of all, we need to know what they are. So the definition it is a system of two stars that orbit in a common gravitational center of mass, meaning that they share the same gravity. The first one will be that they do not share the same mass. So that means that they share gravity but not mass. The second one will be that they are about 85% of the whole galaxy. Also, they are made of the remainings of dead stars or nuclear fission. Then, we need to know how do they work. So they can be held together with gravity and they can transfer mass through special processes. The distance can also vary as well as the mass as it has been already said. So if the mass and distance are not constants, they need to find a balance point or a place in where gravity of both masses can help to find a point of equilibrium, holding each other close and also stable. Another important thing to know about them is that they're composed of a primary and secondary star, which means that pretty much the brightest one, or the biggest one, it will be the primary, and the second one, who is the less brighter and smaller, will be your second one, which is why they have different properties and different masses at the same time. Another factor and I think to know is that how they transfer mass. So, one of the reasons that they do it is because stars usually die by collisions or by becoming red giants. This happens, and once the collision comes, the second star will absorb that energy and they will transfer out. Also, so how do they study, or how do astronomers study these special systems? There's three different ways to do it, and we will discuss it in this video. The first one, it will be by visual. So just as if it was just another star, the telescopes will point to the system and then from there refer to the brightest one as suffix A and the last one as suffix B. Then the second one will be a little more complicated as it indicates that the frequency that comes closer will be blue, while the largest one will be red, which is called Doppler shift. Now we have the third method, that it is how they will look when they are either too far away from the Earth or when they are actually so close together that they make an eclipse in between the two of them. And then why do we study them? So this is just simply because we can understand stellar evolution better. So then how comes that they will actually help us to understand better stars? Well, first of all, it is because most of the systems they share mass, which means that when one of them collides, the other one will absorb this energy. If this energy is the one that is responsible for a big explosion, then that means that this explosion could be the one that causes black holes, and so therefore we can start expecting them. Here are the resources, so you can go back and look into the information and make your own conclusions of them. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope you can get a better understanding of the universe. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, astronomers!